Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use JLPT N5, N4, N3, N2 Vocabulary Learn Japanese test that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see in here, I have my Google Play Store. So in here, search in JLPT N5. So let's take a look at this one here. So JLPT N5, N4, N3, N2, N1 Vocabulary Learn Japanese test. So before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So 1000 vocabulary with native pronunciation, lesson level from N1 to N5, vocabulary with sound, pronunciation, examples, and kanji. Divided by many topic, class singing lessons into different topic, take the quiz, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just wanna let you know that this is the best app for studying Japanese with data from basic to advanced, more than 10,000 common vocabulary practice, JLPT N5 to N1, and 2,300 kanji. So the main features again: 1000 JLPT N5 vocabulary, Japanese vocabulary with 12 topics, 1500 JLPT N4 Japanese vocabulary with 7 topics, 2000 JLPT N3, 2500 JLPT N2, 3000 JLPT N1 Japanese vocabulary with 14 topics. And there are phonetic transcriptions, for example, audio vocabulary and examples. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So the main features with this application: you can listen to a single vocabulary, listen to examples. Not only are you listening vocabulary, but also you can imitate Japanese pronunciation and so on. So as you can see, there's a pop-up in here that you have to buy the premium version to unlock all the kanji. Let's skip that for now. Let's close and select our language, it's English. So let's just try the premium version, and starting from vocabulary. So the vocabulary for N1, let's try this. And this one is this is more advanced stuff. So as you can see, it's already kanji. So let's go back to N5. Let's try vocabulary N5. So this one is Jiko Shokai. Okay, self-introduction, Benkyo, Shigoto, work. Let's try this. So this is a self-introduction. Good morning. There. So just tap it and you will have this information. You can tap the play button. The audio takes about 30 seconds to complete the download. So you'll have to download the audio first before you can play it, or before you can listen to it. So just tap this one here, and then you'll be able to listen to this word or words on how to pronounce it properly. So this is for the good morning. There. Then you can have this option, flashcard. If you know this, then just listen and tap the mean. There, dozo. Go ahead, and so on. There. So just swipe it and you will have the next exercises. So write is where you can practice writing. So if you know the answer, just type it. Test. There. So just tap this one here and you will have the questions. So if you go back to the Japanese vocabulary in kanji, you can actually start from the hiragana. Then you can go to the grammar. So kanji is more advanced actually, so I don't recommend going directly to the kanji level. So start from the basics. But if you already know kanji, then you can learn kanji right away. So there, information on how to use it. So I'm studying Japanese at a Japanese language school. Nihongo gakko de Nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. And then tap this one to listen and how to pronounce it properly. The same goes for the other examples. So just tap the play button and you'll be able to listen. And then you can select a topic like this one, Nisuru. So what do you want to eat today? 今日は何にする? And then you'll have these options available. So let's go back and explore the other things in here. So test, bookmarks. This is actually where you can see all your bookmarks there. And test is where you can practice. Communication, then quiz JLPT is where you can practice, test your knowledge there. So you will be asked, "Sumimasen, kyoniku wa ikura desu ka?" So you'll have the option to choose. It's a multiple choice, and then just answer it. If you already know the answer, just select any of these. Since this is kanji, I'm not going to continue with it. I'm going to go back to the. So just select in the home page in here. So kanji, if you're already good with the basics. Search is where you can search for a particular topic. There, enter your words, and so on. So I highly recommend this if you really want to learn Japanese thoroughly, since this is really helpful in your journey to Japan. So if you want to visit relatives in there, or if you want to work in Japan, then I highly suggest having this kind of application to your phone. This is really helpful, and this is also good in avoiding embarrassment situations. So test, as you can see, just play along with this and you will be able to master Japanese language. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.